These are a pair of Crocs, and today I'm going to customize them and surprise my dad. I got these Crocs some days ago and decided to customize them and surprise my dad. This is gonna be my first custom ever, so I think it's gonna turn out well. So enjoy the video. So first, let's plan the design I'm gonna make on my Crocs. And I'm using this crazy Croc template I found online for planning. So for this one, I'll be drawing some crazy doodles. Okay, so planning done, and now it's time to sketch on the Crocs. Oof. Okay, so Crocs isn't the best surface to draw, right? And finally my design is done. Oof. So now it's time to color. Oof. And to paint, of course, I'll use Posca markers. So let's do this.
Cause it's only a matter of time that we in here, dog. Homie said you need to get involved. Ain't no looking back, ain't no other way around it, dog. You got everything you need on God. Just honing your faith and your power. Trust we could witness as ours. No, this is not just a dream. Keeping you up early every hour, but it just doesn't make sense. What good is this life if all we do is pretend? Trying to see the
okay, so it's not that hard to paint on Crocs. It feels good and it is satisfying as
Slow down, hone it now. If you believe, then you better breathe it. Introspect, take a second, let your world unfold.
Okay, so we are almost 2 days in and the first Croc is done. And this turned out kinda good. So let's work on the other one. But we need another song.
I wrote this while sitting in Terminal B. The words just flow like they were searching for me. These people unlock my heart without turning the key. My only goal is you go further than me.
And now I don't even know what day is it, but it feels good. Let's keep working.
While I watch my patience run, now my favorite days have come. We waited 10 long months, now we're finally here. This is our special place where we can be
Ooh,
ourselves.
look at that paint.
I promise you this place is magic, and the love that we feel is so massive. But when the buses roll up and my
okay, this paint takes so long to dry. We need to use a blow dryer.
Pizza lunch, once you go and drop your bags off. Let's go to Rock then so I can get some tracks off. All over the globe is where y'all live, and now we're better for having been. This one's for you.
Okay, so painting is done, and now it's time to draw some smeezy lines. Oof. Let's do this. Making custom Crocs was really fun. It's really very satisfying and I'm having a lot of fun making these custom Crocs. Just finished making my custom Crocs and it turned out so good. I hope you guys had fun. So enjoy the reveal and my dad's reaction. Bye.
They can't break my vibe. They can't break my vibe. Oh, no, no. Ever since I met Christ. Ever since I met Christ. Yeah. They can't break my vibe. They can't break my vibe. Oh, no, no. Ever since I met Christ. Ever since I met Christ.
Okay, so now let's surprise my dad. Hey dad, look what I got for you.
Wow!
You don't need to know if you ain't on board. Got my joy from the Lord. Got my joy till win like we score. Oh boy, open the wings and we soar.